नमस्कार, मैं अशोक व्यास आईटी पर विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में आपका स्वागत कर रहा हूं। जब इस सोमवार को तो आप और मैं दोनों जानते हैं कि अगस्त का महीना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है और इस महत्वपूर्ण महीने में जहां कई उत्सव आने वाले भी हैं, जिसमें एक महत्वपूर्ण उत्सव संबंध रखता है भारत के प्रजातंत्र से। भारत का स्वाधीनता दिवस आने वाला है और उसको लेते हुए कई कार्यक्रमों की श्रृंखला हम ट्राई स्टेट एरिया में भी मनाने वाले हैं और इस दिशा में एफआईए की सक्रिय भूमिका को कौन भुला सकता है। इस बार कोविड-19 के चलते कुछ कार्यक्रम उस तरह से नहीं हो पा रहे हैं जिस तरह से होते हुए हमने कई बरसों से देखे हैं। बहुत सी परंपराएं उस तरह से न निभाते हुए भी भारतीय समुदाय पूरे उत्साह और नए नए ढंग से इस उत्सव को मनाने में जुटा हुआ है। इस दिशा में आज के विजन ऑफ एशिया में हम आपको एफआईए ट्राई स्टेट द्वारा हमारे नए कॉन्सल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया रणधीर कुमार जायसवाल जी के स्वागत के लिए रॉयल अल्बर्ट पैलेस न्यू जर्सी में आयोजित एक उत्सव की कुछ झलकियां दिखाएंगे और साथ ही कोविड-19 के प्रकोप के चलते भारतीय समुदाय ने कई कम्युनिटी लीडर्स को खोया है, जिसमें एक एफआईए के चेयरमैन रमेश भाई पटेल भी थे और हाल ही में हमने पीटर जी को भी अपने बीच से खो दिया। जुलाई के महीने की ही ये बात है। बहुत सक्रिय थे वो नरगिस दत्त फाउंडेशन के साथ में, इंडियन एसोसिएशन ऑफ लॉन्ग आइलैंड के साथ में, गुजराती समाज ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क और अन्य कई संगठनों के साथ में। अपनी धर्मपत्नी डोरोथी के साथ उन्होंने पूरी उदारता के साथ कई ऐसे संगठनों का सहयोग किया जो सेवा के कार्य में जुटे हुए हैं। उनकी याद में आयोजित हुए एक कार्यक्रम पर भी कुछ रिपोर्ट हम अपनी श्रद्धांजलि के साथ इस कार्यक्रम में पेश करेंगे और ये सब प्रतीक्षा करेगा आपकी इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। बने रहें हमारे साथ। आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम। हमारा सौभाग्य है कि भारतीय मूल के जो हम सब निवासी यहाँ पर हैं, उनके साथ भारत सरकार अपने प्रतिनिधियों के माध्यम से जुड़ती है और कौंसिल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया जो न्यूयॉर्क में आते हैं वो एक तरह से हमारे भारतीय समुदाय का हिस्सा सा बन जाते हैं। ऐसे ही सौम्य व्यक्तित्व के धनी और भारत प्रेम तथा समर्पण से भरे पूरे सहज व्यक्तित्व वाले रणधीर कुमार जायसवाल जी अब नए कौंसल जनरल हैं न्यूयॉर्क के। उनसे एक मुलाकात आप न्यूयॉर्क में हमारे आईटीवी गोल्ड के स्टूडियो के द्वारा भी कर चुके हैं। एफआईए ट्राई स्टेट द्वारा उनके स्वागत के लिए एक विशेष कार्यक्रम का आयोजन जो रॉयल अल्बर्ट पैलेस में शुक्रवार के दिन किया गया, उसमें जहां एफआईए के चेयरमैन अनिल बंसल थे, जहां सीनियर एडवाइजर्स पद्मश्री डॉक्टर सुधीर पारिक और पद्मश्री एचआर शाह जी उपस्थित थे और भी अन्य गणमान्य अतिथियों के अलावा इस अवसर पर डीसीजी शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा भी उपस्थित थे। प्रस्तुत है इस कार्यक्रम पर हमारी ये खास रिपोर्ट।
Thank you very much everybody for coming today. Thank you our chairman Ankur, best wishes. Seriously, welcome to New York, New Jersey, Connecticut area. CG Saab, you are going to find all the people here very, very, very dedicated to, our heart really belongs to India. And we, as Ankur said, whatever India needs, whatever you tell us where you needs are. We may have differences, but once we agree on it, you can be absolutely sure that we'll work hard, and as you can probably you'll get to know that we will deliver. And DCG has known us for a long time, Sinaji, and you know, my job is very easy because I am very, very fortunate to have an incredible team, executive team, what we call core team. My life has become much easier, and we are doing so much, and thanks to my team. Welcome back. Welcome here, sir.
Thank you to ITV for covering the welcome reception of Honorable Consul General Randeep Jaiswal sir. It's indeed been an honor to host the traditional welcome that FI has been hosting for decades now. Thank you TV Asia, thank you Parikh Worldwide Media, Padma Shri Dr. Sudeep Parekh for his support and for covering the event. And thank you to all the viewers of ITV for watching FIA functions and supporting FIA. Thank you, Jai Hind.
CG, I wish to extend a very welcome to you, your wife Abhaji, and children. If there is any way that I, as well as a member of the community, can assist you while you settling in New York, please know that we all are here for you. I know from the your interview with our newspaper and TV channel that you have been busy from the day one, linking up with the Indian community leaders near and far. We are eager to get to know you much more. You are highly experienced and very multi-talented young man. So we hope you will find more ways to engage our children and grandchildren so they can have bonding with the Mother India, as we all, first generation, has bonding with the Mother India. Furthermore, with your deep interest in many fields, from climate change to diverse cuisines, New York is a place where you can have many, your many quality can be needed. That's New York. We are sure you will use all those talents to make US-India relations even much stronger. As a physician, philanthropist, businessman, publisher, and advocate of US-India relation all my life, I am eager to be a part of any initiative in the future possible. I will be a part of it. In 2017, I have established first Indian think tank with the blessing of our Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi, and that was launched by our External Affairs Minister, late Sushma Swaraj ji. It's called Parikh Foundation of India's Global Development. I plan to be active in the future, as in the past, to strengthen the US-India relations, whether it is in the healthcare, whether it is in businesses, or bilateral strategic issue, like I did with the USA-India nuclear deal in 2008. So if there is any way at all that you see the need for me, my foundation, Parikh Worldwide Media, ITV Gold, to help you, please, this is your platform, and please ask for it.
बादल के बिना बारिश नहीं होती, बादल के बिना बारिश नहीं होती, सूरज के बिना सुबह नहीं होती, सूरज के बिना सुबह नहीं होती, चांद के बिना रात नहीं होती, चांद के बिना रात नहीं होती. यारो, FIA के बिना न्यूयॉर्क में परेड नहीं होती, FIA के बिना अरे परेड नहीं होती. एंड सो अभी क्या है कि वी आर वेलकमिंग यू सिजी. सो you are going to be past so many things, ups and down, kabhi khushi kabhi gham type, and you know all the people, Indian tradition, you work so guy. तो तुम्हारे लिए भी एक शायरी है आपके लिए. ऊँगते सूरज की तरह आपकी चमक हो, ऊँगते सूरज की तरह आपकी चमक हो, मिले आपको मिले आपको इतनी सफलता, मिले आपको इतनी सफलता यूएसए में ये दुआ है हमारी, आपको मिले सफलता, ये हमारी दुआ है हमारी। कदमों में रहे विजय आपके, कदमों में रहे विजय आपके, यही कामना है हमारी, यही कामना है हमारी। सालों साल चलती रहे, सालों साल चलती रहे FIA, सालों साल चलती रहे FIA और कॉन्सर्ट की दोस्ती मीन्स जोड़ी, चलती रहे घोड़ी, यही है शुभकामना हमारी। वेलकम टू यूनाइटेड स्टेट, गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड स्पेड इंडिया, गॉड ब्लेस अमेरिका।
Yours is a story of peace, progress, fine, but is also a story of sharing and caring with others. And that is what has defined your work, and that is what defines your collection in India when people talk of our community here in the United States. I'm very happy, I was fortunate to travel with the President of India to various corners of the world. We have our people spread from Iceland right up to Chile, crossing over to Philippines, China, Japan, Indonesia. Wherever you go, there are Indian people. And everywhere you hear the same story. The story of warmth, of love, of compassion, of kindness, of progress, of prosperity. And that is the gift that we have given. Our dear doctor here read out a very beautiful piece from the famous philosopher as to what India has to contribute. I think in the 21st century, this is what we have to contribute. The friendship between the United States and India is going to be defining partnership, is going to be the defining pathway of this century. And you all will be a part of it. You're already part of it. You will be part of it. I was so very touched when Professor Saluja, he said that he'll be here to see that day when we have a stronger stamp, a stronger imprint of our hard work, of our identity, of our culture, of our color, of our vibrancy in this country and everywhere else. So I feel like I'm at home. This has been said several times. And all your warmth, all your hugs, all your wishes. I'm young. I'm a lot more younger to all of you in age here, but I do seek your wishes as we sit down here to carry my responsibilities as the representative of Government of India with our consulate here. The consulate has had an engaging relationship with FIA. In the pandemic times, we all got together to hold each other's hand and see how best we can help each other. Thank you very much for all your effort. But as we talk of the present, I think it's also time that we talk of the future, because of you, all of you have such great ideas, such great energy, and I look forward, and from the consulate side, to support you next year when you're going to celebrate 50 years of the existence of FIA.
Good evening to the viewers of ITV Gold. Today we have gathered here in New Jersey to have a welcome ceremony for our new Consul General Sri Randhir Jaiswal has recently joined us in New York. FIA has organized this wonderful evening of celebration of his coming and joining us here. FIA's warm welcome is very much evident. I am very happy that members of FIA have turned out in such great numbers despite a rainy evening. The partnership between FIA and Consulate General of India has been there for many years, and I'm sure it will continue under the leadership of Consul General Mr. Randhir Jaiswal as well. We wish him luck. We also look forward to FIA's continuous public service. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to welcome the new Consul General of India in New York, Ambassador Randhir Jaiswal. We held a reception for him this evening at the Royal Albert's Palace in Fords, New Jersey. And in spite of the weather and rain and the COVID situation, we had a good turnout of 75 to 80 people who showed up to honor him and to welcome him to the greater New York area.
आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम आईटीवी गोल्ड पर। आईटीवी गोल्ड भारतीय समुदाय के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर सुख दुख में साथ साथ चलता रहा है। और इन दिनों जो चुनौतियां कोविड-19 के चलते आई हैं और जो एक क्रम है जीवन का, भगवत गीता यह याद दिलाती है कि जिसका जन्म हुआ है उसकी मृत्यु निश्चित है। पर जब कोई हमारे बीच से चला जाता है तो न केवल ये हमारे लिए क्षति होती है बल्कि हम श्रद्धा के साथ उसके जीवन की तरफ देखते हैं। और इस क्रम में आज हम आपके साथ मिलकर आईटीवी परिवार की ओर से अपनी श्रद्धांजलि व्यक्त कर रहे हैं पीटर भेड़ा जी के लिए, जो कि समाज में बहुत सक्रिय रहे। कई ऐसे संगठनों के साथ उनका घनिष्ठ संबंध रहा, जैसे नरगिस दत्त फाउंडेशन, इंडियन एसोसिएशन ऑफ लॉन्ग आइलैंड, गुजराती समाज ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क, इंडिया डे परेड और अन्य कई संगठनों के साथ सक्रिय होने के साथ साथ उन्होंने एक फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट के रूप में अपनी तरफ से उदारता से अच्छे कार्यों को हमेशा प्रोत्साहन दिया।
I am truly honored to be speaking of the incredible impact that Peter Beta has had on not only my life, but on the lives of thousands of Long Islanders over the past 25 years.
From India Association of Long Island, Peter G would come to all our functions. He never complained, and he believed that the more socio-cultural programs that we are doing in teaching our children, in promoting our heritage and culture, the stronger our community will be.
He carried the values of the India that, till today, that he will bow. There's so much to learn from Peter, unbelievable. And I can't even still think that this gem is not among us today. To me, every morning when I open up my WhatsApp, his name shows up and I'm ready to click and send him the old song.
What I remember about Dad growing up was that he worked really hard. He was a savvy businessman. He owned and ran his own business called IDC Marketing Corp, which became very successful. Even though he worked a lot, he was always there for ballet recitals, and there were a lot. Sam's Pizza and regular dinners out in Jackson Heights. How are you holding up, he asked me. I told him how much he'd comforted me the last few times we spoke, and he simply replied, "That is my duty." And then he stared at me with big brown eyes. Daddy, the little girl in me thought you were going to live forever. I wonder how I'll be able to go on without you. But I know that you wouldn't have left unless you knew I had the strength to endure. I will miss and love you forever.
When my sister and I were little, we would sneak up on him while he was reading the newspaper, and we would tickle torture him. I was my father's wild child, the one he worried about probably the most, the independent, nonconformist, sometimes troublemaker, always rule breaker.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।